Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Now what is this channel about? Well, long story short, it's a channel for learning the Arabic language. And by Arabic language, I mean the spoken Arabic and not the modern standard Arabic. Specifically, the Lebanese dialect. You see, when I first started my main YouTube channel, MatarTV, I wanted to show our culture in a kind of a comic way, like infotainment kind of. Now, after getting a lot of emails and DMs and messages that people are watching my videos because they want to learn the Lebanese dialect. So I decided to create this channel to give tips, lessons for free, just anything that can help you learn the Lebanese dialect. Now, you should know that I really believe that if you want to learn a language, you really should be interested in the culture. That's why I decided to split these two and make MatarEducation more about the learning the Arabic language, and for MatarTV, my main channel, to be more of a culture. So you can always switch back and forth through MatarEducation and MatarTV just to see what you are in mood of. So expect for more videos to come into this channel and also to MatarTV. Welcome to the family. Stay tuned, subscribe to this channel, and if you have any recommendations, any kind of lessons, any tips you want to have, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section down below. And as I say on my main YouTube channel,